King Nation, what's up? What's up, guys? Right over there, chill. There, wait. Want me to go on a trip? Want me to go country? On a hotel. So, yeah, I'm there. There, wait for the bus to come and my auntie to come, so we can go about the way. We can move go back in our bed to sleep. It's now 5:30. Driving at my bed so early, it's dark, quiet, and everything. Carry the body in I carry. Wait and thing. So what they do, peeps? What's up? Yo, I drop a vlog today, so look out for that. Yeah. Can't wait still. I have a whole heap of stuff to do in the morning, so I get all of that salt out tomorrow and see how things stay right now. I'm just go see how well I can get to do all of these things that I need to get done out of the way and stuff like that. So I'll get them salt out today. I need to get some stuff for the car. I'm going to service the car today, I think. If not service, I'm going to do a transmission change. Because I'm going to change my transmission, I let it all know. So I'm going to change that. Yeah? And stuff like that. So, yo, come on, I still want to sleep. It's sour. You see me? I want to sleep, see me, dog, I'm tired. See, last night I'm up editing I edit my intro and stuff. I'm still not done it, so yeah, I'm gonna change my intro. There's a new intro coming to the vlogs. I'm already do my outro already, so I'm gonna do my intro now, so I can start put it on my vlogs. So yeah, other than that, multiple type of things to get done and get out of the way. So I'm just gonna do everything one by one. I try to get everything out of the way so the vlogs can look decent, you see me? Can look up to date and, you see me? Shot. So we start make some vlog shot. I'm so buy a camera. Right now I'm just use my phone in the time being. You see me? The quality might shitty, but you have to understand. You see it? Cause Samsung, you see me? It lame. I can tell that. So yeah, morning. Sun will come out. Body in I carry weight. I'm here wait. Yo, I'm tired. Still need some good sleep right now. So just go and wait and think until my auntie come. My auntie come now. Just go see how things are go with them, because right now them I wait for right now before me leave. So yeah. So y'all doing, man? It's now, let me check time. It's now 5:34 right now. Them time people walk. Feel like rain out of drizzle too. Yep, rain a fall. It's a drizzle. So yeah, until then we say more likely when the sky is more lighter. If not, we should get rain today. So I'm gonna make you know what's what and keep you up to date on what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned, guys. See me? King Chevy, I'm out. That's it, walk again. Daylight. Place out. Body there, see me? Family. Body I go trip, body I go muggy. When I trip, see me? People them there run at the back. See them, everybody with two other car there with two people in. After 6 hours still, see? 6:18, so we are waiting on the people and there are some people in 5. Rough. See me? Waiting at the morning, I don't know. Yeah. Be a fly and mosquito. What I do, isn't it? Clean, fresh. I don't know, I have a lot to do today. I have a whole heap of stuff for salt out today and things, so get everything deal. I have a couple more things I have to get done in the morning. Luckily the rain did fall, but the ground kind of, you see me? BK Mall. Jamaica. Yo, Jamaica pretty now, yes, you know. What you know? That's it. So I wait before I leave, isn't it? One thing, so yeah. Yeah, I wait when everybody else will come, so I never gone. But if the bus not reach yet, so I walk in the bus when I reach in time. Bus take too much time, isn't it? Take a long while still. Oh, BK straight. Yeah. Wait for the bus and the bus not come. That hungry whopper. No, the little thing now I look on there, so see if I can zoom in, but I can't. Oh yeah. No peeps. There I go and wait. Till them people are forward. And then for the bus that are forward. See it there? Yeah. Regular bus. Big old yellow bus. Yeah. Tired of a whole heap of things for the this morning and things. See me? Clean. Look fuck up. Yeah, fresh. Sad. That's how long them people are taking forward the bus. What kind of bus and JTC?
No man, unless the bus man not come.
The bus man?
You call Shimani? Ask me if you call Shimani.
What's that?
That's something like that. I agree.
Just 7. Hi!
Sorry. The camera.
Say hi. Take one close-up picture with me, friend.
Oh, next picture?
Alright.
Alright.
Like me just a walk.
Everybody there already. Picture. Oh man, you get the message for your phone? Huh? You check your phone? Yeah. How is it something about money? Eh? You don't get the credit pay phone? Family. Boy, man, tell you. Bernard the car killer. Yeah. I get it? How much I get? One what? What? $100?
Wait, let me see again.
$100 I get. Have you kid? Okay. Look at this. Sad. Oh God. Look at these people wasting a lot of time. So, man look like some security man. Yo. Like you have a strap on you. Yeah, Musa. Yeah, Musa, sir. Sir. Talking to you, sir. Freeze, don't move, sir. Don't move, sir. Ooh. It's crazy. Yeah. Empty parking lot. I wait 3 cars. Still no bus. Where is this bus? One bus there where there's a park up. See me can catch it. That bus there right there. The yellow one there where there's. And them saying I eat that. So where is this bus?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.